Hi, my name is Dean Luttrell. I'm a chef and an educator here in Iowa. I kind of have a varied background.
All right, what are we looking for with chicken, first thing?
I was a paramedic for 10 years.
You know, bacon just makes everything taste better.
I work here, I own my own company,
Clarified butter, you guys already clarified the butter, right?
do caterings and cooking classes, things like that.
And then I'm gonna hyperextend, hold on to the bone.
And I also am a reserve officer on the Urbandale Police Department. You know, I can bring you back to life and then make you a nice meal, so.
What's the first thing that we notice when it comes with fish? Anybody know?
In my opinion, teaching is one of the best kitchen jobs.
All right, coq au vin, that's French for chicken with wine, basically.
Because I get all aspects of students. I get the high school students that have never even held a knife.
All right, Julianne.
I get the students that are maybe have changed careers.
Now go down the backbone.
And then I also get the returning students that, you know, have maybe retired and then they want to do something else with their life.
That's what I said, it's all a learning environment right now, so.
And I love it because I get to pass on my knowledge to someone else. I'm not one of those people that's ever been like, oh, this is my recipe, you can't have it.
And then we'll put everything in it, and basically we're just gonna let it simmer.
If something ever happened to me and that was my recipe, well, that recipe basically dies with me and I can't share it with anybody else.
Bacon.
Anything that's mine, I just give out to everybody else because I want that knowledge to go on.
What you would do is you take your knife, you can either cut it or tear it. So I'll just tear it, and I want you to take a whiff of this. And all that steam and
I love teaching. That's probably one of my favorite things that I do. So.
dorsal fin backbone.